Okay guys, today we are in Lincoln MKT 2014 and we need to change the climate control right here. I took it off already and I forgot to tape it, so that's why I couldn't make the video. And there are like 4 screws right here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then there are like 2 clips right here, 1 and 2 clips. I just got this from the dealership and it cost me like $375 plus tax, so $400 in New York City. And I will just open it and show it to you guys how to install it. It's pretty easy, very simple. Stay tuned. This is the climate control. I replaced one of mine, it got broken. It's only 1 clip right here. We have to put it in. And let's try to install it. Okay. All we need to do is the clips I showed you right here. We have to install that right on those clips. We have to put it there. Okay, first we have to just plug it in. It's a clip, and then the 2 hooks underneath the bottom one. First we have to install it from the bottom. This is it, and it's done. Let's see. Turn on the car. The engine is on right now. Let's see. Because when it was broken, the heat was on continuously. When I turn on the engine, the heat ons and nothing was working. But now the hazard lights working, so I believe it's good. Yeah, I can turn it on and off. It's pretty good, perfect. This is it, very simple. Now I have to just put the bolts here, 2 and 2. I'll do that and I'll just film it and show it to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.